Hello, this is Ashish and you are watching Born Again, and today we are going to talk about the most important information about the law of attraction, which is the momentum of thought. How the momentum of your thoughts are being created with law of attraction. This is we are going to talk about today. Before started our explanation in this subject, in this momentum of thoughts, we have to again remember that everything is vibrational. Everything is vibration and everything has vibration. So vibration is only created when a movement is present in anything, and when there is a movement, there is a momentum. So here there is momentum in everything, there is speed, there is movement in everything. So we have to understand the momentum, because there is not only the vibration, also the momentum in everything. How the momentum is created? The momentum is created by your focus. Whenever you are giving just for the 15 second your focus toward any subject, that subject vibration, the vibration of that subject has been activated on you. With your focus is an energy flow. You must understand and know it, that your focus is energy flow. In this smart world, in this world of Wi-Fi and mobiles and every wireless network thing, you have to understand, you have to know that energy can be flowed without any kind of supported material. The energy can flow wirelessly. So you must understand that whenever you are focusing on something, you are giving energy on that subject. Your focus is energy flow. So whenever you are focusing on a subject for just 15 seconds, you are starting vibrating with that subject's vibration. That vibration that the subject has, after giving that 15 seconds of focus, after giving that 15 seconds of energy flow, you are started with vibrating its vibration, and the law of attraction find that subject vibration activated in yourself, and the law of attraction started attracting that kind of subject in your experience in your life. So whenever you are giving just 15 seconds of focus in anything, you activated that vibration in yourself, and the attraction with the law of attraction has been started. And then if you are giving that subject more 15 seconds and more 50 seconds and more 50 seconds, and the 60-second mark is reached, the 1 minute mark is reached, the vibration of that subject has been very strongly activated in you, and law of attraction hold that attraction very strongly, and the subject is moving toward your life, toward your experience very powerfully with the help of law of attraction, as you are vibrating strongly that vibration. So whenever you are giving, if just you're focused for 15 seconds, the momentum starts, and the much you 15 seconds spend on that subject, the strong that momentum gets in everything. So you can understand the all over subjects that you are focusing on, how much momentum they are achieving, how much strongly they are vibrating, how much strongly you are attracting that subject, that wanted or unwanted subjects in your life. You can trace this with your help of emotions. Your emotional level, your feelings of emotions, your feelings of different levels of emotion is telling you how much attraction power a subject has right now, how much strongly you are attracting that subject. So if you are thinking about a subject and feeling just frustrated or irritated or impatience kind of feelings, you can be certain that you are not given that subject a very much strong focus, and you are not attracting that subject with its unwanted part in your experience strongly. But if you think about a subject, you found a subject and you feel very fearful, very nervous, then you can be certain that you are attracting the unwanted part of that subject very strongly in your experience, as you are already given a very strong focus on the unwanted part of that subject. So you are vibrating that unwanted part. You have been activated that unwanted part's vibration in very much in yourself, and you are attracting that unwanted part on that subject very strongly in your life. And now if you think about a subject, you received a thought or you experience something, and you feel some just kind of boredom, contentment, kind of satisfaction, then you can feel you are attracting that thing very slow pace in your life. You have been given that subject a kind of little positive focus, positive energy focus. But if you find a thought, if you observe a thing, if you think about a particular subject, and you feel excitement, you feel joy, you feel appreciation, you feel very much happy, then you can be certain that you are attracting the wanted part of that subject very strongly in your life. So this is the momentum which is created with the help of law of attraction, by your focus, with the multiplication of 15 seconds of your focus. So this is very important information about law of attraction, because if you don't understand that you are the creator of that momentum, and that momentum is the thing that has been the factor which can tell you that how much strongly or how much generally or lightly you are attracting something in your life. So you have to understand this momentum thing in this law of attraction, and I am very certain that you are understand it clearly now.